Hello friends, Chintamani here, welcome back. So today we are going to look at type error exception. This is part of the series which we are doing for exception handling in Python. So we'll be using math module. So math module actually it provides access to wide range of mathematical functions, okay, which is essential for various scientific calculations or in engineering or any other mathematical application. It's actually shipped with the Python installation, so it's part of standard Python library. So let's look at what it is, and also we'll be looking at what is type error exception. Okay, so let's look at the example. I have typed it already to save some time. So if we see here, there are two things here, two try blocks, try except blocks. One which is going to run the POW, which is actually power of a number, meaning 2 raised to 3 or 2 to the power 3 or 2 to the power 4 or whatever the mathematical calculation is to be done. Then the square root function, which will do the square root. For example, if I say square root of say 144, then the result should be 12 and so on. So here there is one square root function here which is having correct number of arguments, and one POW function which is having incorrect arguments. So like 2, 3, 5, actually there should be only 2 arguments. So whenever you see a hash here, anything which is there after hash, it is a comment, so Python will ignore it. So at 2 places it will ignore whatever is there. So once again, math is the module which is used. 2 try blocks are there and 2 functions we are using within that. Arguments are there. In one the arguments are incorrect, and in the second one the argument is correct. So let's first try to execute this and then correct it also. So math x1, so it said here type error. Okay, so type error means that the arguments are not correct. Only 2 arguments were supposed to be given. We have given 3 here in this whatever I have marked here. So let's try to correct it. So I'll correct it and let me go to, so let's say 2 to the power 3 and save it also, and then exit and then run it again. So this time it gave a correct result, 2 to the power of 3, so 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8, and square root of 9, which is 3. If I make mistake in both of them, then obviously you will get 2 errors. At both places it will say type error occurred with math.pw, and the next line will be type error occurred with math.sqrt. So this is about the type error and how to capture it using the try except block here. So there are 2 blocks here, and we are doing 2 different functions here, POW and sqrt, using the math module. So this is the solution for the exercise number 8 of the first chapter, exception handling in Python. I think in the question there is an error also. In the question it should be type error and not the a different type of error like value error. I think in the textbook it is mentioned as value error, but actually it's a type error. That's all for today. Thank you very much and keep watching the videos. Bye bye.